welcome back to my channel. My name is Azaya, better known as Call Her Zay on Instagram, and today
And that shit be tasting like caramel. Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you doing very well. Ha, you looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
we just gonna get these caterpillars together because yeah, it's time. So I do not go to the nail salon or like to any eyebrow waxing place or anything like that, just because I don't like how they do my eyebrows. So yeah, to just razor them all, not razor them, but I would just like use my little eyebrow razor, or I would pluck them. But I kind of ventured into the world of threading, so that's what I'm going to show you guys today. It's super simple, and just for video purposes I'm going to use a bright colored thread. Is a spoolie, just so we can brush our eyebrows, some eyebrow scissors so we can trim them up, some tweezers, and some thread. And I'm using like literally, this came out of a sewing kit thread. Okay? So I like to take a piece that's probably about as long as like from my fingertips all the way down to my elbow. If you guys can see the orange thread. I hope you guys can see that. All right, so here's the thread. You want to loop it in half. So now it looks something like this. So you have the loop at the top and the loose ends. I'm really hoping you guys can see that. Yes, you have the loose ends at the top. You just folded it in half. Hopefully you guys can see it, but pretty much I created something that looks like this. You get comfortable with threading the first couple times, you'll know what size thread you like. I like mine to be pretty small and controllable. Some people use longer threads, some people use shorter. It's just based on preference. Here is where you want to pay very, very, very close attention. You want to take your thread and you're going to make a figure 8, okay? So we make an 8. That was one time. You want to flip it 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can do 7. I like to do 8 because that's my favorite number. But yeah. So now you have something like that. I showed you guys how to do your thread. Let's see. So to start off, I just like to brush my eyebrow hairs into place. So that way I can just map out the shape that I'm gonna be threading. You can see right there, I'm gonna clean that up a little bit, and I'm actually gonna go in and take all of that off. So see on this eyebrow, I kind of mapped it out. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm only doing this for video purposes. You want to take your pencil and go right where the inner corner of your eye starts. That's where you want your eyebrow to start. So that's where mine starts. Right where your pupil is at. That is where the arch of your eyebrow should be. So I like to do just a line there. And then where the end of your eyebrow should be. Yeah, so that's where my eyebrow starts. Now, in order to map out the line, you kind of just want to connect that line. Now this is where you can decide how much or how little amount of hair that you're going to take off. Now you can see I've created this line. There are some hairs that are below that eyebrow. Below that line. So those are the hairs that I'm going to thread away, okay? So you see everything that's underneath the line, so all of that hairs right there, all gonna get taken away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. Now, you can either trap hair on this side where my finger is at, and you would trap it that way, or you can trap hair on this side and you trap that way. So right now, I am going to trap my hair on this side. So you're gonna go and you're gonna pull. You do not want to lift. You don't want to lift your hand up off of your eyebrow. So just like this, keep it flat, pull, 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 pull. See, I'm pushing that hair down so I can get ready to trap it. And you guys see the hair that I'm talking about right there along that line, and we're just gonna just like that, okay? So now we're gonna go in. Ooh. I see the hairs that I just brushed down right there. Everything else is going upwards. That is the line of hair I'm about to trap, so. And don't pay attention to anything else around you. Just pay attention to what you're about to trap. See? And sometimes it's easier to kind of slide your string around, your thread around, just so you can grab some hairs like that. Ooh, and trap. And then we could even go in on our unibrow while we're here and kind of just clean up that. Now we're just gonna brush our hairs down. So at the top, just clean up. Whew. Okay, so I'm gonna speed through this other eyebrow and then I'll be right back. So now I'm just gonna take some witch hazel on a cotton round and clean all of that eyeliner off from earlier. And yeah, now we can see the real deal, what we did. So I'm actually gonna tint my eyebrows, but that'll be a different video for a different day. So